Hey everyone, Miss Sparrow here. Today's lesson is fractions of a number, word problems. So we're going to read it and then break it down. 1/4 of the 48 children at a party like carrots. How many children at the party like carrots? So we're dealing with fractions, which we know are not whole numbers, which would mean that our answer has to be smaller than 48. Essentially, we're breaking up that number into equal parts. So you would have to know first what 1/4 means. So you could think of quarters even as a regular quarter. And with a regular quarter, we know that is 25 cents. So we know that 25 times 4 gives us that dollar. So as a fraction, 1/4 is 1/4. You can draw a visual representation. That means we have 1 out of the 4. That's how many we want. And we know that the total is 48. So your way of doing that is to do 1/4. You're actually going to multiply. We'll talk about why in a second. 48 over 1. We have 48, and then you do 4 times 1, which is 4. And we know that at the end of that this is a division sign. So we're actually going to end up dividing, and when you do 48 divided by 4, you get 12. You have 12, 12, 12, 12, and if you were to check that, you would equal 48. That's the first problem. Okay, so now we're in the 68% range. This problem is actually easier because it gives you options, so that's awesome. So we have 1/9 of the 18 people in a restaurant are eating pasta. How many people are eating pasta? So you're going to do 1/9 of, it's another sign that you're multiplying, 18. We put all whole numbers over 1. 1 times 18 equals 18, and 9 times 1 equals 9. When you divide 18 divided by 9, you get 2. 2 is your answer. Okay, this is the last one. We have Preston made 77 cupcakes and put sprinkles on 4/7 of them. How many cupcakes have sprinkles? So you need to do, this one just becomes a little bit more difficult because the numbers get higher. Also, we're no longer multiplying by unit fraction. So anyway, we have 77. We have that whole number. We're going to put it over 1 times 4/7. 77 times 4 gives you 308. 1 times 7 gives you 7. 308 divided by 7 is 44. 44 cupcakes. So that should get you through all the different levels. Good luck on this one. I expect to see 100s on it. It's pretty simple.